Hi, everybody. How are you doing? Thank you for joining me and thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I practice in my sketchbook, illustrate. This is an illustration of a girl, and you will see the steps that I take, the process that I go through to get to where I want to be, okay? So once again, I'm doing a little bit of a talk here in the back, and because I want you all to see me and I want to say hello to you guys. So thank you for subscribing. And for those people that haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be putting a lot of videos constantly, and they're all tutorials as well as demos, and it's fun for entertainment as well as for artists that are learning, okay? So in this video, I'm demonstrating the steps that I go through. So the first thing I do, obviously, is to make a very good sketch. And the sketch that I do with a pencil has to be well thought of. You have to think it out carefully because that's where it all begins. So you can take your sweet time sketching it out, learn the basics of drawing a head, a manga head. You could take lessons. There's so many things that you could do. So you should have some basics about how to draw a head, the shapes, using guidelines, which is what I'm doing here. I'm drawing the basic shapes, use the guidelines, and then from there I'm going to be building the rest of the figure. So draw the eyes, position them correctly, map them out, then draw the nose, the mouth, and then go to the hair. And basically you also have to use sort of reference photographs that you can refer to, that are available all the place. Everywhere you go, you can see tons of examples of posture, tilt of the head, the way the head turns. And what you need to really have is the shadows, that's the reference that you need to have. So sometimes you can't remember all that. So you need to have a photograph or some sort of a reference that you're looking at, that you can transfer the shadows from the reference to your creative, individual, your own little creation that you're drawing, right? So that's important that you think of using references. So in this manner, you can actually you can build a wonderful portfolio in your sketchbook for practice work, which is what I'm demonstrating right here, okay? So obviously after I finish the sketch, which I'm well thought of and carefully done, then you're going to shift it to colors. And there's so many ways that you can experiment with. In this case, I'm using markers, and they're Blick markers. I want to do a review on that show later on Blick markers and how good they are. But in this case, I'm just demonstrating. I'm using a mixture of Blick markers and a few other dollar markers or whatever, but just to see what kind of effects you can get. Okay, so in this case, once again, when I color, I'm always very careful to build the shadows around the eyes, the forehead, the nose, the mouth, and the neck area. And then, from the shadows, you can go to the light areas and then build upwards, or you can work backwards. All this I experiment. In this case, I'm showing you all that right here. And then you have the hair, which has to be done carefully. And all this color work has to do with layering colors. You have to layer the colors one after the other and see how they blend with each other. And you must blend, and you must be able to get the effect on the form. So if you guys you can check out a video that I did on the form, how to draw a sphere. And these are basic art lessons that you should be able to get a reflected light on the surface, shadows, medium tones, dark tones. Those are the things I'm experimenting with, and I'm showing you all up here, guys. All right. Once again, great to know you all. I'm not going to be talking for it entirely. You will see the rest of the process play out while with music. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. Stay active on the channel. Definitely subscribe and share and tell your friends, okay? We're looking for support. Great to meet you all. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.